Hey Jimmy, should we clean the hot water heater?
There it is.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that was a little dirty. Yeah, that's gross. Wait. If running water makes you need to pee, you should know that there's a lot of running water in this video.
Better go now.
It's been a few years, maybe 3. Oh my gosh. Terrible.
Somebody doesn't do proper maintenance. Shell?
What the heck? Looks like there's food in there, and I know good and well there's no food in our hot water tank. Wow.
Is this normal?
Is it normal? That is a good question.
And that poor old thing was still heating water.
Do
there's a
not
piece of
eat
potato.
that. It's not food. Hopefully this is the last time. What is this, 3? Nope, I don't think it's gonna be the last time. I already see chunks of stuff. Alright, here we go again. I thought it was looking better. Nope.
Maybe we're washing everybody else's water heaters too, not just ours. I don't know.
It sure seems that way. Ew. I've lost count how many times you've done this.
Bunch. More than I thought would have.
It's becoming kind of embarrassing, honestly.
Yeah, delete this footage.
This is the tool Jimmy used to rinse the water heater. Finally, we got some clear water. Wanted to say this is it, but just a little bit of junk coming out. Not much though. You've rinsed it at least, what, 25 or 30 times? Are we done?
Almost.
Yeah. This is a public service notice. If you have not cleaned your hot water heater lately, now is the time. Okay. Now I'm just embarrassed. Okay, we've been at this right at an hour. Still not done. We are calling it good. There's a little left. That was a lot. What do you think?
You've done a really poor job of maintaining your RV.
It's pretty disgusting.
It's like the ocean.
The beach, yeah, you're right. Dirty ass
The
beach.
ocean we're from, yeah.
But the real message here is, don't accept the shrug.